welcome back. You're back. We're live on your CoinMarketCap blog Alexandria. So it says weekly roundup. What happened in Play2Earn games and NFTs this week? So it's for review for January 23rd, 2022. Article by Andrea Segingov. So guys, if this is your first time coming to our YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for updates on crypto news, airdrops, and more, guys. So guys, table of contents. We're reading out the headlines here. It says OpenSea's trading volume hits records of $3.5 billion. First 2 weeks of January, OpenSea's trading volume soared to a new ATH of $3.5 million. So this is a graphical representation by Dune Analytics. So the NFT platform announced a $300 million Series C funding round earlier this month. So next on the list, we have Coinbase to allow users to buy NFTs with MasterCard. So US-based crypto exchange Coinbase has linked a deal with MasterCard to simplify the process of buying NFTs on its forthcoming NFT marketplace. So Coinbase announced the partnership in an official blog post explaining that it was working with the payments giant to classify NFTs as digital goods. So guys, I think that's a good one. It says here we want to do the same things for NFTs with MasterCard by solving the pain points to make it as easy as possible to buy an NFT and make sure it's the best consumer experience. Next on the list, we have a Solana-based NFT platform Metaplex raises $46 million. Say, Tree to announce that MultiCoinCap has co-led a $46 million strategic investment in Metaplex alongside our friends at Jump Crypto HQ with participation from dedicated supporters including Jumpman23, Aline Vasson, and okay, lots of them, guys. So that the Metaverse, the protocol behind millions of Solana NFTs, has raised $46 million from several big names, including NBA legend Michael Jordan. It says here in quotes, we'll have an iOS SDK and an Android SDK coming out this year, which are going to allow this next generation of mobile apps to be built quickly. It will solve a lot of tension and difficulty that the software engineering community at large had working with the blockchain and specifically Solana, which can be tricky. The sandbox parent company Animoca, now valued at $5 billion. So we are on board to announce we raised $358,000 or let's just say $359,000 in a round led by LC Ventures. So these values Animoca brands at $5 billion pre-money. So we continue to advance our glorious plans for the open metaverse and NFTs. So great things ahead. So that's a good one. Then we have Animoca brands, the parent company of Sandbox, and a leading investor in the NFT and metaverse space, has announced a nearly $359 million raise, bringing its pre-money valuation to more than $5 billion. The new capital will be used to continue funding strategic acquisitions and investments, product development, licenses for popular intellectual properties. And AMC rewards shareholders with free NFTs. So emails are sent out to check those spam folders. Off of my street. Said AMC has distributed this exclusive I own AMC NFTs to more than 580,000 shareholders. Movie theater giant tapped Wax worldwide asset exchange platform for the initiative. AIM is detailing how to claim your AMC Investor Connect. Our own AMC NFT will be sent next week on January 18th to all in the US and globally enrolled by 12/31/21. The NFT and a Wax wallet for up to a year are free to you. TY to our passionate shareholders. You own this NFT proudly. Next headlines, we have Poppy Bow taps on NFT to support Ariana Grande's animal rescue charity. So you want to check out this news. Then we have a G2 Esports team to launch NFTs as membership pass. Then next on the list, you also have Tom Brady's autograph platform raises $170 million. Okay, so this is a picture from the big news autograph. Tom Brady, we are pumped to add some knowledgeable people in the Web3 space in our team. It looks good for business. Next on the list, we have Meta to debut NFT marketplace as Twitter enables verified NFT profiles. So that's from Facebook. I think that's a good one. Next on the list, we still have okay. So guys, that's probably all on the news headlines today from January 23rd week. Feel free to like our YouTube videos, share, click on the subscribe button. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know. We'll drop in more updates so you can check out these news individually. Also, we're dropping the link in the comment section. Peace out, guys. One love. It's your back. Stay safe and blessings.